Top 3 apps you should be using for the crypto airdrops in 2023. Save this reel right now and start using these apps for the best results in the airdrop. 1. Twitter. This is one of the best places to find all the upcoming crypto airdrops. Most of the crypto influencers are highly active on this platform, sharing all the upcoming airdrop details, how to participate into them, and make money. All you have to do is follow them, watch out their tweets, and implement those tips and tricks. 2. Discord. If you want to know the latest update about the airdrop, when is the airdrop happening, how to be eligible, and what are the tasks you need to be doing for the airdrop, this is the place where you should be. Most of the blockchain projects use the Discord app to mainly communicate with the community members, and most of the airdrop activities also will have one common task that you have to join the Discord server to be eligible. So definitely do not miss this app. I repeat, do not miss this app. 3. This is one of the most commonly used app called Telegram. So just like Discord, one of the airdrop tasks will be to join these Telegram groups and Telegram channels and be active over there to be eligible for the airdrop.
रुको जरा, सबर करो.
अब सब कुछ ट्राई करने के बाद airdrop कहाँ से लोगे भैया? This is why you need a wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet installed in your browser or in your phone so that you can receive airdrop tokens if you are eligible. Also, if you're doing some of the airdrop activities like performing transactions on the test blockchain network, you definitely need a wallet to do this action. So if you found this reel helpful, like this reel and share with your friend, and don't forget to follow me for more such tips and tricks.